I am no longer afraid of his threats. What is this? My father just keeps oppressing me. Look, at this point, I am tired. I'm a young girl. I am here to live my life and I will live it however way I want to. If he wants to kill me, he should go ahead and kill me. Amara, he should kill me!
Amara, it hasn't gotten to that point yet. And let me tell you something. You need to stop reciting some of the lines you read in your novels. That's your father. He's trying to protect you. You're his daughter. Okay, I believe with time he's going to...
What time? Kenna, what are you... Which side are you even on? Are you on my side or on my father's side? Because you're trying to say I should just stay calm, not do anything. This man is oppressing me. Amara, I'm a young girl. I have some social life. I have to associate with people.
Amara, listen to me. Your father is very angry right now. Let's give him some time. Let's be patient. Do you understand? I believe that with time he's going to calm down.
Wait. That man is never going to change. You don't know him.
Okay, I believe with time he's going to come around.
He's never going to come around. You don't know that man. He's very mean. He will never change. My father, do not, don't even try to move an inch.
Can you calm down?
Do not move.
Challenge for your papa.
Good afternoon, sir.
See.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
You think I'm deaf? See, I am a politician. Look at this whole place. This whole place is under me. Sure. Here is called a geopolitical zone. And this geopolitical zone is under me. And nobody challenges me. How much less you? You, one banshee. And you have chosen to hide behind a woman. Woman rapper. One banshee. Look at this rat challenging me. Boys.
Boss.
Sir, bundle him.
Don't you even dare touch him. Huh? You will have to go through me. Yes. What is it? What has he done? He said he lost me. He didn't commit a crime. You have to kill me first.
Amara.
Papa, not today.
Amara.
Not today, Papa.
He has committed a crime. He's taking what does not belong to him. Listen. Don't even do what you want to do. Don't even do what you want to do. But don't worry. When the time comes, I will have the time for you. Boys, bundle him.
Leave him alone. Leave him alone. You have not done anything. You have not done anything. Leave him alone. Good afternoon, sir.
I am not here for your greetings. Where is your husband, Nweke?
He traveled last week. He's not yet back.
Eziokwu. Your husband came to my house and took a loan. He said for something waiting. His son or who was not well. Huh? Now that his loan is due for payment, he has traveled. Again, me again. Eh? He has traveled, eh? Eh? Ademma.
Boss.
I am going to lock the shop.
Eh?
Double lock it. Eh? Yes. Tell your husband when he comes back to come to my house, and pay for his loan. If he does, I will give him the keys, the small keys, to come here and unlock his shop. This shop was used as collateral for the loan. So what it means is that for now, I am the owner of this shop. Yeah? Listen, madam, I'm looking at your face, and your face has the look of violence. Let your violence not make you attempt to ekoka this key. That is breaking of key. If you try it, hey, Chineke, if you try it, you will see man Oganigwe.
Ishe, please, he will pay you your money, please.
I know, he will pay. Boys, boss, lock this place.
Hey, please don't do this to us, please, Ishe.
Lock.
Please, sir.
Throw her out of this place and lock the shop. Are you waiting for her?
Please.
Sit down. Sit down. Relax.
Ishe, please.
How many keys?
Ishe, please.
Two. Yes, sir. The two are here. Yes, sir. Are there? Yes, sir.
Ishe, please. My husband will pay you. He will pay you back. Please don't do this.
Yes, he will pay me.
Ishe, please.
Another Ejimugwo.
Please. This is the only place we have to make some money to pay you back. Please. Please, sir. Please don't do this to us, sir. Sir, please.
I think go back to that seat. I am going to close this door now. If you open it again, rainfall and thunder will come on you.
Hey, Ishe, please. My children will lack food to eat, sir. Please, sir. Ishe, please. Ishe.
How can you say you love me yet you haven't even been to my house, not even once? At least come around so my people can get to know that we are together.
Is that not your daughter, Amara?
Ashio, Ashio be that.
Ichie, Amara, don't fall your hand. Amara, don't fall. Of all the boys in this village, now that's in way Amara they follow.
Imagine that yellow popo.
Ichie, what do we do? Should we get the guy?
Or are you deceiving me?
Amara, how can you say a thing like that? How can you? Listen, I love you so much. My love for you is deeper than any sexual feeling.
Then come and make your intentions known to my people. Let them know you.
I want to, but your father is very mean. Everyone knows him in this village. I'm sure he's not going to accept me as an in-law.
How can you just come to such conclusion on your own? You don't even know my father. Yes, he is mean, but it's because of his kind of business. If it's not mean, they won't pay him his money as a money lender. Just get to know him. He's a nice person, trust me. Huh? Just get. My father is a very simple man. What is it? Sit there. Is he looking? Jesus.
You're back. You don't look cheerful. What's the matter?
Ned, where is your daughter?
Amara?
Arama.
I sent her to buy me some food stuff for the insala soup you requested for. She went to buy them.
Ah! So, because I asked for nsala soup, you now had to send my own jewel, my special jewel, out there in the jungle where tigers, leopards, lions are on the prowl to devour her.
Devour her what? How do you mean, Ichie? What happened? Can you mean?
Ha! Yadeba wetele ego nye. Wete ego munye. Wete ego munye. Yadeba.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't at all.
I didn't do anything. I just stopped by to say hi. So hi.
To say hi? And what happened? What happened? Kenyo. Papa, what happened to him?
Where is he?
Talk to me. Give me me. Or give me me. Talk to me.
I swear, I just said hi. Just hi, Nkiti. That's all. I did not do anything.
Okay, don't worry. You have your father to explain to. Because since he came back, he's been ranting, lamenting that I sent you out to be devoured. Where did you go to?
I just went to say hi. That's all. I didn't do anything. Mama, because no help me. Mama will kill me.
That's why did you go to know? I
bought everything.
And you went to say hi?
Just hi.
Hi. Isn't it?
Mama, come on, help me. Come on, help me talk to him. Let me beg him. I didn't do anything.
I don't even know what to say. He's so furious. Come, let's try and tell him that.
Let me tell him.
Come.
Hey, Mama, let me just stay here. Hey.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the market, sir.
See, Amara. Patience. Amara.
Yes, sir.
Do not try my patience. If you ever try it, to God, I tell what I will do to you. Keep talking.
When I finished from the market, on my way back,
Yes.
I just stopped by the roadside to say hi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Say hi. To
To my
Yes.
my friend.
Who is your friend? Yes.
Yes. His name is Kenna.
Kenna. Who is Kenna?
My friend.
Your daughter goes out kissing and frolicking a dirty village electrician in public. Guru eyes.
No, that's not what happened. No. It was kissing.
Shut up.
We were just holding hands.
Shut up. Keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
I said shut up.
Yes, sir.
Are you still talking? Good. So, I didn't see you.
Ichi, Chekwa, you mean you saw them kissing out there?
In public. Koro eye.
Yes.
They were holding hands. My daughter was holding his hand and he was holding my daughter's hand in public. And they were holding and staying there for more than 10 minutes. I parked my car and I was watching, and they were kissing, holding hands in public.
What do we call this?
Carelessness. Carelessness of a mother.
Hold on, Ichie. Are you now blaming me for the misconduct of our daughter?
Praising you. Trying to praise you. Trying to sing your praise. Yes. Praising you for leaving the only thing I have in this world in the hands of crooks, boys, lions, giraffes who are destroying her out there. Particularly that boy, that village electrician, mechanic. Alele, my daughter in the hands of those people, in the hands of that boy. Hey. She says I didn't see her. So I didn't see you. So what I saw was not true, or I didn't see you. I didn't see you, Amara. Amara, I didn't see you. It was not. She ran. Let her run. After running, let her come back to this house.
Amara, who is after you? Why are you crying?
This is not my father.
What happened?
I was standing by the roadside with Kenna. My father was coming back from work, so he saw us standing. Amara, you know I will not lie to you. We were just standing and holding hands like this. My father got home and told my mother that he saw me kissing Kenna in public. Me!
It's okay, stop crying. Just come and sit down.
It's not okay.
It's okay, stop crying. It's okay.
It's not okay as if I'm lying. I wasn't kissing him.
It's okay.
Take a good look at me, Amara. Am I not old enough to have a boyfriend? No, just tell me the truth. Am I not old enough to be called someone's wife? Am I a child?
Amara, you know things are better done the right way. You may be doing the right thing, but with a wrong approach. You don't expect your father to see you holding hands with a man in public and don't react the way he's reacting. In as much as you are old enough to have a boyfriend, he must react. That's what every responsible father will do.
But Kenna is not just any man. Kenna is a man after my heart. We love each other so much. What we share is not something that is about to end anytime soon. It's an everlasting thing.
I know these things you're saying already. But the question now is your father aware of this relationship? Does he truly understand the depth of this holding hands in public? It's okay now. Calm down, it's okay.
Gafa, what can I do for you?
Bros, guy, you get luck. Guy, as you dey like this now, so you dey form like say you get mind, abi?
How do you mean?
Of all the girls for this village, na Chief Amadi's daughter you choose to mess around with, where? Guy, you no get fear. Who doesn't know Chief Amadi in this village? Who doesn't know what he's capable of doing?
Please, who are you and how does my lifestyle affect you?
Who am I, Okwea?
Yes, who are you?
Alright, if you must know me, I am one of Chief Amade's boys. Yes. We were in his car when we saw you, Peter, Chief Amade. You were messing up with Chief Amade's daughter. And you get luck. If to say Chief Amade give us order, by now, what will for do you, eh? I know say by now your body for never recover. But see, no be that one even carry me come now. Guy, put hand for your pockets. Find me something there so that let me see how I can be able to be covering you in some lapses. See, I can something was spoken now. Oh God,
my friend, get out of this place.
Huh?
I said you should get out. Leave this place right now. I don't have any money to give you.
Wait. Mwa, get out.
Jobless people.
No. Mwa, get out. Okay, by fine boy, Okwea. Guy, hand go touch you. You see hand? He go touch you. How much else I go mine? You never fine boy, Okwea. You never fine boy.
Go. I wish I could stay longer, but I have to go.
Okay.
You have to come with me to the house to beg my father not to beat me.
Don't worry, he won't beat you.
Huh?
He won't beat you.
You don't know who that man is. He will deal with me. I'm not going there alone.
Okay, I will come with you. But we'll have to wait for my mom to come back from the market first.
Let us wait. I'm sure she'll soon come back.
Why are you so scared?
You're talking as if you don't know who your father is.
It's you.
Igba. I'm not going anywhere.
Don't worry, my mom will be coming back very soon. We'll go together.
Hey.
Calm down. I'm sorry, just calm down. Why is he outside now? Don't worry, calm down. This man is going to kill me. He won't kill you. He won't. Just calm down.
Rejoice. Rejoice.
Good evening, sir. I brought her home, sir.
Thank you.
Amara, you can go inside while I go back home.
Okay. How about you stay a little longer?
I need to go. Don't worry, just go inside.
Greet your mother.
Okay. Goodbye, sir.
Rejoice. Rejoice. Amara, I'm not here to hurt you or to beat you, no. I'm here so that we can talk as father and daughter.
Okay, Papa. What do you want to talk about?
I don't know if your mother ever told you what we went through to get you. And what happened afterwards?
Yes, she did. She told me how she almost died when she had me. And the doctors warned her not to get pregnant again. She won't survive it.
That's it. That's it. You see, Amara, I love your mother. I loved her. I still do. For the fact that I have not married a second wife up till now means that I love her. It also means that we are okay with you, just you. I do not intend to get get another child. The way God has given us you is okay. That will also show you how precious you are to us.
Yes, Papa. I have always known that you and my mother love me so much.
Will you like to break my heart?
God forbid.
Will you like to see me shed tears of agony for you?
No, Papa, no.
Amara. What were you doing with that boy today? Holding hands and playing in full view where people were passing.
Papa, the truth is, that boy is just not anybody. He's my boyfriend. We started seeing each other after you brought him to our house.
The whole of this place was filled with smoke.
Smoke.
Smoke! I will show you.
Okay, I'm seeing something.
Uh-huh. What is it? See.
Ah. Wow.
I don't know where it is. Ah, there was fire here. Yeah.
was he looking at me like that? Maybe he likes me. Where is he?
Where is who?
I saw a man walking on the changeover earlier.
Oh, that. Your father brought in an electrician to rectify the light problem we had earlier. I think he's done and gone back to his shop.
Oh, okay. I don't know. The thing just suddenly stopped playing.
Did you charge it?
I charged it. I charged it to the point that there's a green light that will come up here when it's full. And when you on it here, this other blue light will come. But it's not coming up. I've been trying it. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not coming on.
Okay. Maybe it's faulty. Don't worry. Don't stress yourself too much about this. There's this electrician at the village market. That guy is good. He's an expert. There is no case of electronics that he can't handle. I'll take you to him, yes.
And he can handle...
Yes, he's very good.
What are we waiting for? Let's just go. I just want you to start working.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. You both know each other?
Not really.
I knew I was going to see you again. Welcome to my shop.
I don't understand. Are we not acting Nigerian film here?
She stole my heart the first time I saw her.
This kind of love line, me I don't understand though. And please, check this MP3, suddenly stop working.
Since you came with her, I'm going to do it right away.
It's her own though.
It's working now.
It's working! So, how much is your money?
Don't worry about the money.
Please, tell us how much we are going to pay you for the work. Now, we don't have time to waste.
I did it for free.
Why would you do it for free?
Well, be honest, who's the owner of the MP3?
It's my own.
Oh, it's yours? Then there's no point taking money from you.
Why? I want to pay you.
Okay. The first time I saw you, I felt something special for you. And now that you have come to my shop, I'm very happy. So, you don't have to pay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You have made my day.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Eh?
Let's go.
Yes. Let's go.
Up will be more, not my lover. Up on my head, not my lover. Up will rocket, not my lover. Not be my mind, not my lover. Up will be more, not my lover. Love at first, not my lover. Only go be my, not my lover. Another I'm not cook, not my lover. Up will be more.
You know, at first when he said he shouldn't pay, I was shocked though. Like, I said, me too. Kenna, that does not joke with his money, finished working for you and said you should go, you should not pay. Ha, this is strange, this is unusual. You have a special place in his heart though. It's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. Ha! That guy, he does not joke with his money at all. He does not.
Me, I'm surprised. I'm just glad that my MP is back.
Yeah, it's working now. We're going to use it.
Play music.
Use it to play music.
Download music and play.
I'm so happy.
Since you came with her, I'm going to do it right away.
It's her own. Though.
The first time I saw you, I felt something special for you. And now that you have come to my shop, I'm very happy. So, you don't have to pay.
Kenna, that does not joke with his money, finished working for you and said you should go, you should not pay. Ha, this is strange, this is unusual. You have a special place in his heart though. It's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter.
Forever, nothing can change it. It's approved in heaven, so no condition. Nobody believe people in this life can change this level. Up will be more, not my lover. Up on my heart, not my lover. Up will rocket, not my lover.
Have you ever fallen in love before? Okay, let me rephrase. How do you know you are in love with someone?
Why did you ask?
Because these days I find myself thinking about that electrician boy a lot.
Your father will kill you.
You know, I try to stop myself from thinking about him. The more I try to stop myself, the more I think about him. And when I see him, I feel this warm butterfly in my tummy.
Aww.
I just like to be around him and I can't stop thinking about him.
Oh, my friend has fallen in love.
Yes, I'm in love.
But the question now is your father. I don't think this love will survive.
Ngozi. Now come now. Long time. How are you?
I'm fine.
You stopped coming to my shop.
Is it not when I have something that you will do for me that will come to your shop?
Are you trying to say you don't have any bad electronics I can fix? Since the last time I saw you.
What kind of question is this? I don't have. Yes.
How's your friend?
You want to see her again?
Of course I want to see her again. Listen, anytime you come with her to my shop, even if you come with any bad electronics, I'll fix it for free.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
I'm not joking, I'll fix it for free.
Okay, I've heard you. Don't worry.
Because of her, I'll fix it for free.
Don't worry, we'll come. You know the funny thing here?
Mm-hmm.
She feels the same way for you.
She feels the same way for me.
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
She feels the same way for me.
Yes.
Upward be more, not my lover. Upward my head, not my lover. Upward rocket, not my lover. Not be my man, not my lover. Upward be.
Guess what happened when I was coming back from the market today?
What?
Guess, just guess.
Who?
Just guess.
Angie, you know I'm not good in guessing.
Just try.
Oh, I don't know. Just tell me.
Where is the first place your mind should go to?
Kenna.
Yes. So when I was coming back from the market today,
Okay, yes.
he couldn't believe his ears when I told him you feel the same way for him.
Oh my god. Angie, please. Can you take me to see him? I just want to see him. Just see him. Just
Calm
even if
down.
it's
Calm down, be calming down. Be
okay.
calming.
I am calm now.
Okay,
Mm.
so where will you tell your parents you're going to before leaving the house?
Are you even being serious right now, Angie? That's pretty easy. My father is not in the house right now. My mother is just behind the house. So we'll both go there and you make up an excuse for me. That's what friends do. Please.
Okay, I'll try. I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
Okay, let me go and talk to her. Mama, you and your melon seeds.
That's the only business I have. At least the little money I make from it is better than just staying back home, idling and saying no job.
That's true, Mama.
It's like you're about leaving.
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
But I want to go to my tailor's place. There's this dress I want her to make for Amara and I. So she'll have to come with me so that they can take her measurements.
Okay, but please, you have to hasten up and bring her back home. The father will soon be back, and the moment he steps in, the next question is, where's Amara? Please.
We won't waste time.
Don't. Oh?
Okay, Ma.
One.
Bye, Ma.
Regards to your parents.
Okay, Ma. Bye.
It's taking time now. Why is she taking so much time? It's not just to go there and just say something. Mama, I want to... Okay, Amara, calm down. Just calm down. What did she say?
We can't go! Calm down.
Okay, calm down. Hey, thank you. I love you. So, how are we doing? Let me go inside and change now.
No.
Wear something. Look at my hair. Should I pack it?
You're okay. Like, you don't need to change. You don't want your mother to think we are going somewhere else.
It's true, you're
Let's
right.
just go.
Let's just go.
Yes.
Let's go.
Where are you taking her?
Mama already gave us her permission.
I am not asking you.
Oh, sorry.
Where are you taking my daughter?
I already told your wife. There's this cloth my tailor is making for me. I want to make for her too because the material is big enough for both of us. So she needs to follow me to the tailor to take her measurements.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Please. As soon as you finish your bring her back to the house. Do not go to any other place.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Will your father ever let this love that we share thrive? I'm ready to do anything to keep you, but I'm afraid of him.
Listen, I only read about love in novels and watch it in movies. I have never experienced love in my entire life. What I'm feeling is not something I want to let go. So not even my father or anyone for that matter can come between us. I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, Chimo. Ewo. Ewo. Ewe. 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 Ekwanu kansiri we. Atala onwe m nkụ ahụhụ ga-atagbu m. Hey!
Please.
Don't break me. So, I went and brought this boy to my house to fix an electrical problem. The boy came in, left the electrical problem, and started fixing his eyes on you. Hey! Chukwaju. Mba! Ajive baiziezi. Ajive baiziezi. Ajive baiziezi. Ajive baiziezi. Ajive baiziezi. Ajive baiziezi.
Papa, please. I'm begging you.
Don't beg me. Don't beg me. Ah! Ajive. 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 Yeah, why is it? So this is what Ngozi has been doing. Ngozi would come to my house. He will follow her out. But instead, she will end up taking you to that village rascal of electrician. Ah, Mbano. Mbano. Asem mbano. It will not work. It won't. My own treasure. Adam Wani. That I do not have another and will not have another. I cannot lose her to a rascal, to a non-entity, to a nobody who says he is a village electrician. Cannot happen.
Nambigo, it is already too late for this decision. I am in love with him. I beg you not to fight this love. Because if you do, you will lose me. I cannot live without him.
I am going to play that game the way I know how to play it.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Upwa bimo, na my lover. Upwa my heart, na my lover. Upwa rokeje, na my lover. Na be my, na my lover. Upwa bimo, na my lover.
Chai! I blame you, Neddy. I blame you. This is sheer carelessness. How can you be so careless over the only treasure I have in this wide world? Neddy, I blame you.
Ichi, I don't get you. How can you blame me for our daughter's misconduct? How?
You're a woman. You are a woman. And you stay in the house. Me, I always go out to get money for the family. But you are in the house. So you're supposed to know when your own daughter starts to do rohi, kurukere. Yes. Come on. Huh?
I don't get you. How am I supposed to know that? Go to Ngesimara. Mara.
Neddy, you are trying to rile me up. You're trying to work me up now. Through her body language, Neddy. Through her body language. You're a woman. So you should know when your own daughter is beginning to handle a man's odogu. Yes. You should know it. Chai, so my daughter is no longer a virgin. Is no longer a virgin. My daughter has taken her precious body to one non-entity, to one hopeless boy to be devouring. My head is nearly bursting. Neddy, you have killed me. You have killed me.
Iche, now listen. I don't understand why you are blaming me. It's the responsibility of both parents to take care of her child or children, not just the mother.
think I have failed, you have equally failed.
Aye! Aye! Can I bear this? I mean, can I bear this? Neddy has killed me. Neddy has killed me. They have spoiled my only treasure. They have disvirgined her, scattered her. My head is bursting and I will kill somebody here. Oh, I'm just envisioning my daughter as the boy is devouring my daughter. Hey, I will kill somebody. Neddy has killed me. Yes. I know what to do. I know what to do. Nikom Poop's hand. And the boy, he. Oh, no.
Chief Amadi,
I know.
Hey! Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. What a selfish man, Chief Amadi. Onweraka niyagi, onweraka benaragi.
Hello?
A selfish man.
Who is that?
Jay, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
I've come to see your mother. Where is she?
She has gone to the market. I hope all is well.
How can all be well? Tell me. How can all be well when you, Ngozi, you take my daughter, the only jewel I have in this whole wide world, you carry my daughter to village boys to mess up with? How can all be well?
Ichie, I don't know what you are talking about.
You will not know what I'm talking about. Ngozi, is that not what they call you? What's that your name? Ngozi. That's what they call you. Yes. You won't know what I am talking about. But soon, you will know. Igama.
Ichie, my hands are clean. No, I didn't take her anywhere. My hands are clean.
Which hands? Which hands? Let me see the hands that are clean. Let me see them. These dirty hands, these soiled hands. Listen, let me tell you. Actually, I'm here to see your mother. I'm here to warn your mother to warn you. Ihe gị na nwa m na-eje ntụfụrụ ten idu eje. I am seeing all of them. I've come to warn you. Stop leading my daughter. My only daughter. The only jewel, the only good thing I have in my life. Don't keep taking her to village boys to mess around with. Don't. And why don't you?
I didn't take her anywhere.
Oh, you didn't take her anywhere. Adema, listen. It wasn't really you I came to see. I came to see your mother to warn you. Do not ever come anywhere around my compound. Are you hearing me? Don't come anywhere around my compound. If you ever do, I swear with my father's, in fact, my grandfather's grave. I swear with it. If I see you in my compound, I'll go inside, bring out a gun, and I will shoot you And I'll make sure I shoot you in the eyes. And I'll be willing to take the consequences. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
When your mother returns, tell her I was here. If you fail to tell her, I will look her up anywhere and tell her I was here. Be careful.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rocky name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rocky name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rocky name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rocky name. What a selfish man, Chief Amadi. Onweraka niyagi, onweraka benaragi. A selfish man. Amara nye wurawo, ozo kwanya na fio. Amara nchabu mu manjanja. Because Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rocky name. Very mad at the royal name. On you were very mad at the rocky name. He's bad. On you were very mad at the rocky name. Chief Amadi is dangerous. On you were very mad at the rocky name. He has no mercy at all. On you were very mad at the rocky name. Very mad at the royal name. On you were very mad at the rocky name.
I'm almost done, huh? It's working. Thank you. Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Sit down. Do you know why I am here alone?
No, sir.
I would have come here with my boys today, but I decided to come alone first. Do you know why?
No, sir.
Good. I looked for your trouble. I looked for your trouble by coming to invite you, bring you to my house to fix electrical problems for me. You finished fixing the electrical problem and went and started fixing my daughter. I hope you have had enough of her now. Yes. It was good while it lasted. Good. Now, let me tell you, I do not want to see you anywhere around my daughter after now. If I hear that you were seen with my daughter, then it will be that you are looking for my trouble. You know what it means to look for my trouble. Onye chọrọ m okwu nọ na nnekwu okwu. Have a nice day.
Because Erechi for money. On your way, bury mother the ruggy name. Bury mother the royal. On your way, bury mother the ruggy name. He's bad. On your way, bury mother the ruggy name. Chief Amadi is dangerous. On your way, bury mother the ruggy name. He has no mercy at all. On your way, bury mother the ruggy name. Bury mother the royal. On your way, bury mother the ruggy name.
Ngozi.
I hope all is well.
No, all is not well.
What is it?
Ichemadi just left my shop.
He did?
Yes.
He came here too.
Did he come here?
Yes.
What did he come to do?
Same reason he came to see you, I guess. He came to warn me to stop taking his daughter to come and see you.
I was hoping I can see Amara so I can, know how she's doing. It is possible he beat her up.
That's not possible. That's not possible.
You can't call her for me. I'll wait for you somewhere.
No, I can't. I can see you are looking for who you want to send to her early grave. Please. I still love my life. I don't want to die. Please.
No, please. Just help me.
I can't. Please, I'm sorry. I can't. I don't want to die. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't.
Upward be more, not my lover. Upward my heart, not my lover. Upward rock edge, not my lover. Not be my, not my lover. Upward be more, not my lover. Love at first.
New rules and regulations guiding this house. From today. Number 1. Amara is no longer permitted to leave this house alone and on her own. If she must leave the house, then she must be accompanied by Nedi, her mother, or whosoever I appoint to do so. Number 2.
Papa, wait, before you get to number 2, I would like to really understand number 1. Do you mean I am not allowed to leave this house alone by myself? I have to be accompanied by someone?
Yes.
No, I mean, that's not going to work. Why? I am an adult. You can't keep me in my own father's house on house arrest. That is wrong now. It's not fair. Mama, no, it's not going to work now, Papa. What do you even mean that a full-grown adult is not allowed to leave the house? You've collected my phone because you said you don't want boys calling me behind your back. No problem. But to keep me at home, an adult, house arrest, it's not fair. Mama.
I am trying to save you from those hungry boys.
To what end? To what end now? Am I not an adult? Am I not old enough to have a man in my life?
Amara, you are old enough to have a man in your life. Yes. I am saving you from those hungry boys. You don't need them in your life. What you need in this life is a man, a responsible man who will marry you, look after you. You don't need those boys prowling around, scattering money everywhere, money and gifts everywhere, looking for girls who they end up defiling and destroying, after which they're now going to settle with some girls to marry. Meaning your life is destroyed. You don't need it, my dear. That's why I am doing this. Number 2. nobody visits Amara
Ha!
in this house. Whether male or female, doesn't matter. That is the law. Number 3.
What have I done to deserve this? My only crime is falling in love. I don't deserve this kind of treatment from my own father.
Ichi Amadi, we have come with some money as in the part of your money, and also to beg you, please, to come and open that shop for us. I'm promising you that 1 month, give us 1 month, we'll come back with your balance, please.
Are you here with any money?
Yes, we are here with okay, good. Ichi, we are here with some money. This is it.
How much is here?
50,000 naira.
50,000. That is good.
I'm promising you that just 1 month we'll return the balance.
Go and complete my money. Listen, you will give me my money to the last kobo. No looking back.
We'll give you.
Good. This is just a period of a little grace. When this grace expires, I'm coming there to take back my shop.
Ichi, please, Ichi, please don't do this to us. Please, please.
Ichi, please, don't do this to us. Hunger is taking away our children from us. You know, that's the only place we have to make money. How do we feed our family, please?
I am promising you that next month end, even before, we'll raise the money and bring your balance.
Yes.
Please, Ichi, if you continue locking up that shop, how do we raise your balance?
Ichi, please.
How do we feed?
Ichi, please.
Please don't do this. I promise you that before month end, or even before next month end, we'll come with the money.
Go and complete my money.
Ichi Amadi.
Please.
Ichi Amadi. Ichi. Hey!
But wait, how can somebody be this wicked and heartless?
Amadi, who doesn't know him?
Hey!
See, Dambad is very big, very wicked. If not for condition, what would have taken me to him? Even the devil is more considerate than Amadi.
Hey. I wonder how his wife and his daughter are coping with him.
His family? Don't even go there at all. That man does not joke with his family. He doesn't joke with his wife or daughter. All these wicked men you hear about, or you know, they are very loving and caring husbands and fathers. They don't joke with their family. Let's go home. Let's go.
Father, I would like to see you.
You've seen me already.
I would like to discuss something very important with you.
Go ahead. I'm here already.
Father, it's about this your rules and regulation in this house. In the last 3 days, I have listened and obeyed all your rules and regulations.
You said I shouldn't leave this house. I have not left. You also said nobody should visit me. Nobody has visited me. But Father, I am here to tell you that this rule can no longer stand.
Why?
Because I cannot continue to live like a slave in my own father's house.
Amara. Sir. Amara.
Sir.
Nwame Togo. I have a tall, huge, pretty looking girl. Does not mean that that pretty girl also has pretty sense. That your head, inside that your head is conquering. That your head carry conquering side. It doesn't have good thing. It doesn't have better thing. Don't you know that what I'm doing is for your own good? Eh? Ha! That's what is there. What is wrong with you? Don't you know that I'm doing this for your own good? Yes. Look at it. A girl as beautiful, as tall, as comely looking, as huge as you are. You deserve a good husband. Yes. You deserve to be wife to the son of a governor, wife to the son of a senator, wife to the son of a president, wife to royalty. That is what you deserve, and even more. Not what do you call it?
Ikenna.
I don't put your mouth in what I'm saying. Kaya. An ordinary village electrician that cannot even change his slippers. Who came here with what? No. Mechanic work outfit with cap like this, sometimes like this.
Papa, let me ask you. This caliber of people you mentioned, how are they going to see me if I don't go out? I need to go out so they will see me. Or will they come into this house to see me here?
Don't worry about that. Don't worry. Your father is capable. Your father is out there. I have contact, and with my position, I will get you somebody in a good position who will be your husband.
I don't want to. I already found one, a good man, befitting. Ikenna is the man of my dream. I love him so much, and both of us will build our life together. Father, please understand. I beg you, I'm begging you, please. I want to be with Ikenna.
This boy that comes here looks like a mechanic. You don't know who your father is. You don't! You don't!
Marriage, it's not my choice. It's not my choice. Did you not choose your own wife?
I said it. Nwame Toga will run on my go leave. Look at this one as tall as a hanger. Otokolo. Bangolo. Eh? Izaga. Alright. See this place, we're playing with this key, we're playing with that. With the gate, main gate, huh? See our daughter. Please, keep your eyes on her. Huh?
I will now.
Biko. Yes. She must not leave this house. If possible, keep this gate locked. There's nothing bad if you have to also lock the main gate.
I'll do that.
Please.
She will go nowhere. I'll make sure.
So let me go. I don't know how long the meeting will last. You know, party meetings. We could be late, but I'll be back. Okay now.
Okay.
Right.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the ruggy name.
Amara,
Mama,
what are you doing here? Could you come and carry your food in the kitchen now?
I am not hungry, Mama. I don't want to.
Can't tell me you're not hungry. Are you fasting? In a bond? Come and carry your food.
Mama, I'm not a child now. If I'm hungry, I will go to the kitchen and get my food. I don't want your food for now. Because how come I can't?
Yeah, can't solve one again. Can't one again. Can they check one again in the kitchen? So when we come and carry your food now. Let me know what's for you. What is you're not hungry? You don't want my food. Follow me immediately.
Me, I don't want to eat. I'm an adult. Keep your food, you and your husband.
OBIO, na my lover. Up my head, na my lover. Upurakeje, na my lover. No be my, na my lover. OBIO, na my lover. Love at face, na my lover. Only go be my, na my lover. Another na cook, na my lover. OBIO, na my lover. Up my head, na my lover. No be my, na my lover. Upurakeje, na my lover. OBIO, na my lover. Up my head, na my lover. No be my, na my lover.
Amara!
Upurakeje, na my lover.
Where is this girl? Amara! You better come and collect your food. Come and take your food. It will soon get cold and you know you don't like cold food. Where is she? Amara!
You are the best thing that has happened to me. OBIO, na my lover.
Hey! Hey! Children of business. How did she know where I hid the key? How? Ichie warned me, oh. This one, the original Wahala. What do I tell Ichie? Help! God, please, oh, help me. Hi! 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 It's not a proper Wahala, oh. Hi!
Eh? Are you being serious?
My dear, if you see the way your father was shouting here that day, he said he will shoot me if he sees me around his house. Oh.
Why is my father doing this to me? Why is he doing this to me? Is it only me? Eh?
Even Kenna too was here that same day, said your father came to the shop to warn him to stay away from you.
He did that?
Yes.
Because my father is going out of hand though. This is not fair. This is unfair.
See, if I advise you, just forget everything about Kenna for now. Let the tension go down first.
No! What kind of suggestion is that? How can I forget about Kenna when I can't even live without him? The last couple of days have been hell for me. It's been like I'm in a cage. I've been in so much pain and discomfort. So how can you just sit here and say I should forget about him? You know what my father should do is worse. If he wants to kill me, he should go ahead and kill me. After all, I am already dying slowly, living without Kenna. What is it? My only offense is that I fell in love.
he wants to kill me, he should go ahead and kill me. I can't live without him. If he wants to kill me, he should go ahead and kill me. Don't be trying to love somebody.
I am no longer afraid of his threats. What is this? My father just keeps oppressing me. Look, at this point, I am tired. I'm a young girl. I am here to live my life, and I will live it however way I want to. If he wants to kill me, he should go ahead and kill me. He should kill me!
Amara, it hasn't gotten to that point yet. And let me tell you something. You need to stop reciting some of the lines you read in your novel. That's your father. He's trying to protect you. You're his daughter. Okay, I believe with time he's going to...
What time? Kenna, which side are you even on? Are you on my side or on my father's side? Because you're trying to say I should just stay calm, not do anything. This man is oppressing me.
Amara,
I'm a young girl, I have some social life, I have to associate with people.
Amara, listen to me. Your father is very angry right now. Let's give him some time. Let's be patient. Do you understand? I believe that with time he's going to calm down.
Wait, that man is never going to change. You don't know him.
Okay, I believe with time he's going to come around.
He's never going to come around. You don't know that man. He's very mean. He will never change.
My father, don't even try to move an inch.
Can you calm down?
Do not move.
Challenge for your papa.
Good afternoon, sir.
See.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
You think I'm deaf? See, I am a politician. Look at this whole place. This whole place is under me. Sure. Here is called a geopolitical zone. And this geopolitical zone is under me. And nobody challenges me. How much less you? You, one banshee. And you have chosen to hide behind a woman. Woman rapper. One banshee. Look at this rat challenging me. Boys.
Boss. Sir.
Bundle him.
Don't you even dare touch him. Huh? You will have to go through me. Yes. What is it? What has he done? He said he lost me. He didn't commit a crime. You will have to kill me first.
Amara.
Papa, not today.
Amara.
Not today, Papa.
He has committed a crime. He's taking what does not belong to him. Listen. Don't even do what you want to do. Don't even do what you want to do. But don't worry. When the time comes, I will have the time for you. Boys, bundle him.
Nobody touch him. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. You have not done anything. You have not done anything. Leave him alone.
Because Richie for money. On you were very mad at the Rogini man. Very mad at the Ryan. On you were very mad at the Rogini man.
Yeah, I've been looking everywhere for her. This side. You are a complete failure as a wife, a complete failure as a mother. Ordinary to keep an eye on your daughter. You couldn't.
I was keeping an eye on her. I didn't know when she sneaked out. I'm not a failure. I won't fail you.
Please.
Shut up.
Leave me alone. I want to go back to my house.
Hey, shut up.
Please.
Shut up.
Please.
Wait. Make I even ask you. Guy, as you no get eyes, you no get ear? No. As you dey from say you no get eyes, you no get ear. Ichie don tell you say stay clear From my daughter, you no agree. Eh? You just dey busy, they razzle this girl. Now you born am?
No.
Now you born am?
No.
Eh?
Please, I'll never go close there.
Shut up!
I'm my mother's only child.
Oh!
Please don't.
You know say na your mama only child that you be, but they tell you to make you leave her, you no agree.
See, as you dey like this now, we fit kill you here. Bury you, nothing will happen.
Please don't.
And nobody go talk. Think it happen.
Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
There is always a payback. No one knows tomorrow, so stop treating people bad. Don't hate anyone in this life just for your own selfish.
Ikenna. No. All is not well wherever he is now. Switched off. Mbano. Ikenna's phone cannot be switched off. Why, he works with electricity and generator all the time. All is definitely not right. I know this.
What you show you it's yet enough. Come and catch my evil forever. There is always a payback. Ulonya kulogoro. It's yet enough. Tomorrow you can't hide evil forever. There is always a payback. Ulonya kulogoro. It's yet enough. You can't hide evil forever. There is always a payback. There is always Ulonya kulogoro. It's yet enough. There is not hide evil forever. There is always a payback.
This is not his padlock. Huh? Where is my son? Switched off. Ikenna's phone cannot be switched off by this time. Eh? Leaving everything here.
Neighbor! Who is there? Yeah?
Did you see my son? If you see what happened here today. What happened? The chairman came here with his boys and took your son away. What did my son do to him? He has been warning your son to stay away from his daughter, but your son cannot listen. Warning my son over his daughter. When did that one start? I don't know. How am I supposed to know? Do you know where they took him to? No, I don't know. Hey! That wicked man! Hey! Ichi Amadi, let nothing happen to my son, oh! Let nothing happen to my son!
Please, Dad, come in. The door is open. Come right in.
Good afternoon.
Who are you and how may I help you?
I am Mami Kenna, the boy that your husband came to his shop and locked out of his shop with his dogs this afternoon.
My husband?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Are you aware of what he did? I ask again, are you aware of what he did?
No, sir, I am not aware. I called him on the phone and his phone was switched off. So I went to his shop to know exactly what the problem is because I'm expecting him to get some drugs for me. On reaching to his shop, I found out that it was locked. I asked one of his neighbors, they told me you came with your thugs and locked the shop. And then you took him away.
You know why I'm laughing? I am looking at you and you're speaking soft like a human being. But your son is doing this baka for me, flexing muscles for me.
No, sir. Eh? How can he do that? Sir, please. He can't do that. Please forgive him. Eh? I'm begging you.
I want him to stay away from my daughter. To stay away. You know what happened? Your son refused.
Hi.
Yes.
Sir, honestly speaking, I am not aware of this. I didn't know. But I'm assuring you, now that I've heard about it, he will not go close to your daughter again. Yes, it's a promise.
Really?
I'm assuring you this. Please, sir.
So, if he goes close to my daughter, what do you say I do to him?
Anything you like. Do anything you like to him, sir.
Anything?
Yes, sir. Ichie, please. Please.
I've heard you. Go on. You will return home.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Ma, thank you, ma. God bless you, sir. Thank you, ma.
God has blessed me already.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ichie, you mean you abducted someone's son and still went ahead to lock up his shop?
Let me tell you, as far as this geopolitical zone is concerned, I am the king. Yes, nothing happens to me. I am the law, and the law is me.
Keep deceiving yourself. Ichie, keep deceiving yourself. You don't have any right to take laws into your hands. You demitize yourself as if you're God. You're not God. Someday, somebody as mad as you are, or even worse than you are, will pick you up and lock you up. You guys know what?
What is this woman talking about? Huh? Who will do that? Who can do that to me here? Nobody. They never born the person we go fit do her. In political parlance, I am a man of timber and caliber. You know, I am impregnable. Yes, impregnable. You cannot even touch me. What is wrong with you, woman?
I did not tell you.
You don't even know the wife, I mean the husband you have married. That's your own cup of tea. I beg you.
Chifamadi on you bere magade ragini me. Chifamadi on you bere magade ragini me. Chifamadi on you bere magade ragini me. Chifamadi on you bere magade ragini me.
Hi. I thought he said he would release him immediately. Huh? Now it's late. And my son is not yet back. Hey, I don't even know how he ended up in that monster's hand. That devil. Hey! Let nothing happen to my son, no. Let nothing happen to my son, though. Hey. 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 I hope my son is still alive. I hope my son is still alive, oh. Let nothing happen to my son, oh. Let nothing happen to my only child, Ichi Amadi. If anything happens to Ikenna, you must give me back my son. I don't know what they are calling you, but whatever they call you is none of my business. You must get pregnant. Nurture it for 9 months. Give birth to it and raise him for 28 years in 1 day. And give me back my son. I don't know how you intend to achieve it. That's all. Ichi Amadi! Ichi Amadi! Balu Shalom. No problem.
Mama! 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 Mama!
Ikenna! Is this you? Ikenna! You want to sit down? Sit. Help! Look at what they did to my son. Ikenna!
Mama!
Help! These people are very wicked.
Mama, what have I done?
Help!
What have I done to deserve this?
Help! You did nothing. It shall never be well with them. Eh? They want to kill my son for me. I thank God you are still alive. Don't worry. They will see their match one day.
Mama,
one day is one day. Mama, they will see their match.
Mama, take me inside.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Let's go.
Mama, easy. It's too. Oh!
Sorry.
Oh, Mama, take it easy. It's painful.
I know.
Oh!
Sorry.
Oh!
Oh. Of all the girls in this village, why that wicked man's daughter? Ikenna, why? Huh?
Mama, things don't happen like that. I didn't make the choice. It's my heart.
Your heart?
My heart made the choice.
Yes. Mba, say no to that heart. Ikenna, listen. Everything you have with that girl is ending this minute.
Mama, it doesn't work like that. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy.
It's not going to be easy. What is difficult in ending a relationship you started on your own? Eh?
Mama.
Do you want to render me childless?
Mama, why is everyone scared of that man? Why is everybody scared of Iche? Eh? Does it mean if something bad happens to me right now, he's going to go scot-free? If he kills me now, so nothing is going to happen to him. Nobody will do anything to him.
No, of course I won't leave him. Eh? But then you are gone. A dead man does not return back again. You cannot say your own part of the story again. Do you understand? Even if I fight him with legions of army and police, I can't still have you back. That's the reason we need to avoid him and his family now. We need to avoid him now, because if anything happens to you, I won't survive it the next day. Your life is more important to me than everything in this world.
Mama. It's easy, it's painful.
Sorry, I know. Eh?
It's okay.
You may be doing evil today, thinking no one sees you. You may be doing evil secretly, but believe.
Amara, Mama, you look so weak. weak. You're not even eating your food. Do you want to starve yourself to death? Ogini?
Is it not my father that have decided to turn me into a slave and a prisoner? I am ready to die.
What's that?
Maybe when I die, he will tell the world why he decided to kill his only child.
Mbamba, don't even go there. Eh? You don't play with that word death.
Mama,
death? Mba, no.
But you think this is a joke? Mama, leave me. You're the one that is joking. Maybe when you walk into this room and meet my corpse, you understand that I am not joking. I will not taste any food or drink any water.
What?
In this house. I'd rather die. Yes.
No.
I'd rather die.
Hey! Ichi! Where is Ichi?
Just for your own
Ichi!
selfish
Ichi!
Makanoa Sirike Uwahabarabaniyo Makanoa Sirike Uwahabarabaniyo.
Ichi, honestly, I don't understand what game you and your daughter are playing. Please, she's all I've got. Let nothing happen to my daughter, I beg of you. Please.
What happened?
I just took food to her. And do you know she has not eaten since yesterday? The food I served her and this one. She is threatening to starve herself to death since you, the father, chose to lock her up in that room. Biko, please let her be. Biko.
Nnedi nwanyị ọma. Hey. Nne mụrụ nwa na-atọ nwa na-atọ.
You're playing with this, I'm not. Please.
Nedi, I am not playing with this. All I ask of you is relax. Cook your food and pass to her. Cook and serve her, okay? Yeah, have you ever been hungry? I mean, the type of hunger that will hit you in the head, in the stomach, all over the body. It will get to a situation where hunger go mamaram. Hunger go wireram. She will start begging for food. Okay? Just leave it.
You see, all these things you're saying is... I don't see it in that her daughter there. She's determined to carry out her threat. But, yeah, come to think of it, Ichie. How long do you intend locking her up there?
Nem. I know what I'm doing. You train your child. That's what we are doing. Okay? Okay? Just leave it. Leave it.
Biko, nothing should happen to her. Please, I beg of you.
Nothing will happen to her. Okay? Otu anya ji isi ụgwọ.
So don't be too harsh.
Baba. Baje mewe hi na-eme biko ka m metọpụ ihe a nne m ana m abata.
Chifamadi onyuwe bere magadero gị n'ime. 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 What a selfish man, Chifamade. Onweraka niyagi, onweraka benaragi. A selfish man. Amara nye wurawo, ozo akwanya na fio. Amara chabu manja.
Let's see how you go.
Woman, get out of my way.
You're not leaving this house today. Okay, Fumuta, you will not enter it until you have sorted out the problem we have in this house. All you want is for me to fold my hands and watch you destroy my only child. No. Ichi ona dezinumma. Haba.
Woman. Woman, you're looking for who will kill you.
Ichi Ibiano, is it not better? It's better you kill me before killing your daughter. Ichi, 3 options. Either you kill me or you kill your daughter after me. The easiest one is for you to go and set her free. Ichi, how can you imprison her? She's been there. You're not even bothered that your daughter, your only child, is not eating. Ichi, banana. Bam,
I will not be the one that will kill you.
You may be doing evil today, thinking no one else sees you. You may be doing evil secretly, but believe me, you can't hide it forever. Kuranye kurangoro, kuranye kurangoro, echietata, forever. There is always a baby. Sirakan evil.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to yourself, Amara? Amara, I am trying to choose the best life for you. But you want to make the most stupid choice. Why, Amara? Why? Look at Amara, this is your phone here. The phone is beside you. The door is open. Do whatever you want to do. But listen, as for that boy, he will not have you. He won't, I swear by my father's grave.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man.
Get out of my way, I've set her free.
Oh, you set her free?
I have fought many political battles, and I didn't lose any. I have fought many communal battles, and I never lost any. It is now this small battle with a small girl who came out of my loins. I will not lose it. I will not. Kajinaka, koka, naka. Mkpomkpo siri kpomwam. Nyakpuru wa. Ọbịa ga-emecha wa. Wa.
Anything you ask to say, you will say. Anything you ask to do, you will do. Chifamadi, on your way, bury mother the rogini man. Chifamadi, on your way, bury mother the rogini.
Amara, get up, please. I'm sorry. Oh, forgive me and forgive your father. Oh, forgive your father and forgive me. Get up. Get up. Huh? Get up. Get up. He has freed you. Come and freshen up. You eat food.
Wait.
Try. Deceiving. I'm sorry. Come. Hey. Deceiving. It's okay. Don't worry. You bake now. After bathing, you eat good food. Oh? You go. It's okay. Sorry, oh. Forgive us. Oh, forgive your father. Oh, we go.
Very nice. Thank you very, very much for all your efforts to help me get my freedom back. My God will bless you. You are such a caring mother.
If I don't do it for you, my daughter, who will I do it for? You are all I've got in the entire world. You will find a Jesus. So eat. You need to regain your. You need to regain your weight. Eat.
When I finish eating now, I have to go and see my friend. You know, it's been days. I haven't seen her. I'm very sure she's worried about me. But I'll finish eating now.
Amala, you just regained your freedom. And already you want to go out. No. You need at least 2 days or 3 to eat and regain yourself before I need to eat.
Mama, what is freedom without going out? I've been locked in here for days. This is the time for me to go and see my friend. Just to go see. I will just see her and come back. I won't go anywhere else.
Nagada chekwa. He will not be happy to come back and you're already out there.
I'll be fast.
You'll be fast.
Mama, this food will not be enough.
I said there's still more.
I will finish this one. Then I'll go and get another one. Once I
before
finish
you go out.
Then I'll go out.
Oh!
No more.
So all this while in there, you were really dying of hunger. And you were pretending. Hunger strike.
Hi, Mama. Suffer.
Take some water.
My love.
Amara, what are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? Are you not happy to see me? I haven't seen you in days now. So I came to see you.
Amara, I didn't say I'm not happy, but you're not supposed to be here.
I am not supposed to be here. Kenna, what are you saying? What do you mean by I'm not supposed to be here? Huh?
Amara, you know why. You're not supposed to be here. I don't want any trouble, please.
I don't even understand what you're saying. Are you chasing me away? You can... This is it. This is how you pay me back for all the effort I've put in for us to be together. I should go away. You know what? It's fine. Just stay.
Amara, wait. Amara. Amara. Amara, you have to listen to me. Listen to me.
Look me in the eye and tell me you no longer love me, Kenna.
Amara, you know I love you. I love you with all of me. But some love are not meant to be.
What do you mean?
Your father doesn't like me. Your father doesn't want me around you. I was kidnapped for 4 days. Did you not see my face?
What?
Can you not see my face? They almost killed me.
Oh my God, what?
Listen, I've been taking medication. For the past 4 days, I've been on medication. And this is the first time I'm coming out in 4 days.
I am so sorry. I had no idea. Jesus Christ.
Amara, my mother had to go to your father to plead on my behalf. And he agreed to release me on one condition, that I never see you again. My mother doesn't want to lose her only child. For the sake of my mother, please, let's...
Shh, please do not say another word, please. Not even a million Iche can stop the love I feel for you. Can't you see, Kenna? It's growing inside of me like an organism. It just gets worse by the day. Please, my love. Please, my love, Kenna. Just stand by me. My father cannot keep doing what he likes and just keep getting away with it. Someone has to stand up. Please, just fight with me. I promise you, we will not fail. Please.
Upward be more. Now my lover. Upward my heart. Now my lover.
Promise you, we will not fail.
Now my lover. Not be my mind. Now my lover. Upward be more. Now my lover. Love
right.
face. Now my lover. Only God be my. Now my lover. Another na cook. Now my lover. Upward be more. Now my lover. Upward my heart. Now my lover. No be my mind. Now my lover. Upward rock edge. Now my lover. Upward be more. Now my lover. Upward my heart. Now my lover. No be my mind. Now my lover. Upward rock edge. Now my lover.
Hello, Iche. Yes, as I speak to you now, your daughter is with him. Yes, they are at the center of the road, kissing, romancing each other. Yes. Yes, Iche. Okay, no problem. No problem.
Congo, you see that man I call my father? He is me. The man is Oyobiapo.
Ah, my friend, I'm so happy to see you. I've been thinking about you. How are you doing?
Your friend have been through a lot. I have really been through so much. Did you know that I didn't eat? I didn't drink. I didn't even have my bath. I was just locked inside my room, dying slowly. And to make matters worse, my father did not care. Just thank God for the timely intervention of my mother. Because I don't know what would have become of me, because I wasn't ready to end that hunger strike. I was very serious.
Mothers are the best. Thank God she acted up like a mother.
I completely agree with you. I mean, there's no way she would have just folded her arms and watched her only child die.
I wonder why your father is so mean to people. Like that man is so mean to people, even his own flesh and blood.
It's because of the ghost immunity he has in this village. My father sees himself as a mini god.
He sees himself that nothing can happen to him. He can do whatever he likes, whenever he likes, and just walk away without being questioned. But you know what? I will be his nemesis. Because I will show him that things will be done differently. Oginide, is he the only one in this village?
So, what did Kenna say?
He came. You know, he doesn't have problem. I was able to talk to him, build courage in him. And now, he's ready to fight with me. Yes, we are both ready to fight for this love. It is our right.
I feel for him. I feel for him, honestly. Especially his mother. This is very sad. Your father.
Don't worry, I am his match. I will make him repent. Are you God? Papa? Why are you playing God? You had your boys kidnap that young boy. And they almost killed him. I do not blame you. You live with cowards. No wonder the saying that goes that a man with one eye is seen as a king in a city of the blinds. That is why you are feeling like you are God, because you are living amongst blind men. But guess what, Papa? You are not God, and I am not about to leave my relationship because of your threats. I will not leave Ikenna. We love ourselves and we'll be together. Your end is coming. Just wait. Wait and see how God fights for us.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the Rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the Rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the Rogini man.
I heard that girl came to your shop again today.
Yes, Mama, it's true.
Why? Ikenna, I am asking you why. So after all you went through in the hands of that monster, you still have the mind to go close to his daughter. Why are you playing with fire?
Mama, I didn't invite her. She came on her own. You don't expect me to throw her away?
Yes. You should have thrown her away.
I told you she came on her own. I didn't invite her. I can't ask her to leave.
You should have asked her to leave. Yes. I want you to avoid that girl like a plague she is.
I can't do that, Mama.
You can't do that. Ikenna, you can't do that. No problem. I can see that your plan is to render me childless. But there is no problem.
I love Amara. She means everything to me.
OBIO, now my lover. Up my head, now my lover. Now my lover. Not be my man, now my lover. OBIO, now my lover. Love at face, now my lover. Only go be man, now my lover. Another I'm not cook, now my lover. OBIO, now my lover. Up my head, now my lover. Not be my.
Why are you blocking the road? I don't have any money. I don't have, wait. What? I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any money.
He's not even coming. I told Ikenna to buy these drugs on his way to his shop so that he can bring it home before 1 p.m. I need to take these drugs this afternoon. I wonder what he is still doing in his shop that he cannot spare 30 minutes for his own mother. Huh? Oh. Switched off. No. No. Ikenna's phone cannot be switched off by this time. He's supposed to be in his shop. Switched off. No. Why? How? Why? His phone switched off. No, how? It can't be possible. How can his phone? How? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Switched off. Why is Ikenna's phone off? Switched off. This is strange. Ikenna's phone is never off because he works with lights now and he has generator. So why is his phone off? Switched off. This is strange. Is he okay? I think I have to go to his shop. I have to go to his shop. Why is his phone switched off?
Why is the shop locked? Switched off, quoi? Good afternoon. Please, do you have any idea where my son went to?
Okay, ma, we have not seen your son Ikenna this morning, and this shop was like this since I came.
I don't understand.
I mean, your son has not come to work this morning.
Kenna went out early this morning. I even asked him to buy me some drugs and make sure he get it to me before noon. And up till now, he has not brought back the drugs I asked him to buy for me.
He's not yet here. You can call him on the phone now.
His phone is switched off.
Switch off, pa?
Yes.
Ha. It's not like him, oh.
It's not like him, that's what I'm saying. Let it not be what I am thinking.
No, God forbid. Try again later now. Yeah? You must go. Huh?
What is going on now? And why is his shop locked and his phone is switched off? What is this? This is frustrating. Still switched off. What will I do now? I hope he's okay. This is strange. It's not like him. He has not called me. So I tried to call him back and his phone is switched off. Because the last time his phone was switched off was when my father abducted him. They may have abducted him again.
Did you go to his shop?
I just told you I'm coming from his shop.
And it's locked.
It's locked.
Did you ask his neighbors?
You know I can't do a thing like that now.
Let's not suspect your father yet. Let's not accuse him yet. Maybe he's not fine and he didn't come to shop today.
That is the problem. If he's not fine, why is his phone off? That's my point. That's the more reason why he needs to keep his phone on.
Maybe he didn't charge his phone.
What are you even saying? I know this. I know he can now. He has a power bank. His phone can never be off so long he's working. I don't know. I don't understand.
See, whatever the case, don't do or say anything to your father until we are sure.
Okay. I will not do or say anything to my father. I'm just worried. Don't do anything.
Or do you want to risk going to his house?
Ngozi. What kind of suggestion is coming out of your mouth? That woman sees me as the devil that has come to take away her only child. Can you even say that?
Then let's just be patient till tomorrow morning. Let's just be patient.
Just still trying. Switch off.
Where is Papa?
He's not back yet. Any problem?
Do you know exactly where he went to?
You ask as if you don't know your father. What's the problem?
There is going to be a lot of problem, Mama. There is going to be serious problem in this house if Papa should not try me. He should not just try me this time because what I will act. Mama, what I will act, even you will not believe that I will be able to act that kind of thing. Just...
Amarachi, what is it? Talk to me.
I'm just coming back from when
Amarachi, what is it?
Huh?
Talk to me. What happened?
Nothing. Sorry, nothing.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini. What a selfish man, Chief Amadi. On where I can niyagi, on where I can benaragi. A selfish man.
I want Dikeh, I want him. I want Dikeh, my son, but he wouldn't listen to his mother's advice. I want him. No, you cannot get away with this one. Okay, for Ichi Amadi. I'm going to fight you with the last drop of my blood. Because I will not allow you take away the precious thing, the only precious thing I have in this life. And I will do nothing to you, Mbad. I must fight in this one and save my son. I will fight and save my son. Fight and save my son.
It's okay, madam. What if after this crying, your son turns up and calls you on the phone and tells you what happened? It's okay.
Let him call me. I will gladly receive him. Let him call me. Let him call me, officer.
First thing first, you said you are suspecting somebody.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So why are you suspecting this person?
Because he has threatened to kill my son. He has abducted my son before and threatened to kill him next time. Yes.
This is serious?
Yes.
Well, why would he do that?
My son and his daughter are in love and he doesn't support the relationship. That's why he has threatened to kill my son.
It's okay. Let's not jump into conclusions now, okay? You know how the law works. We have to give it 24 hours. Then after 24 hours, by this time tomorrow, if he doesn't come back, then I'll send my men to arrest this man for questioning. Okay?
Officer, wait. You mean I should wait till tomorrow before I know my son's whereabouts? My son, if I don't know where my son is, you said I should wait till tomorrow. Hey!
Just hold on,
Officer,
okay?
no.
Okay? After 24 hours, please.
No, I don't think I can wait to do something, officer. Do something.
Kenna, where are you? He came. Why have you not reached out to me and I can't reach you? Where are you? I can't do anything. I can't think. I can't live without you. Don't you know it? It's so sweet though.
Kenna, the DPO said you were waiting for me at home. He said you will still come back. Look at the time. This is past 1 a.m. midnight. And you are yet to return. Kenna, how can you do this to me? Kenna, you are yet to return by this time of the night. Kenna, where are you? Kenna, come back to me. How can you comfortably stay at that place, knowing fully well that you have an aged mother who will neither eat nor sleep? If you are not home, tell me. Kenna, tell me. You cannot come back to me. Do you want me to die before you return? You cannot. You cannot. Do you want me to die before you return? No. You cannot. You are the only thing I have in this world.
You may be doing evil today.
Madam, you said he did not come back yesterday.
I did not see him, no. I did not see my son. I did not see my son.
Now you have a case. You know, I'm going to send my men to this certain man's house. Stop crying. Stop crying. I will handle this case myself personally.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Constable, get me Sergeant John to my office. Right away, okay? Come down, okay? We're gonna handle it.
Sean, sir.
Sergeant John.
Sir.
You are going to follow this woman to a certain man's house. You are going to arrest him for threat to life and illegal adoption of a civil citizen. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Make it clean.
Okay, sir. And now, shall we?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. No
Thank
problem.
you, sir. Okay, sir. Let's go.
Mr. Man, you are under arrest for threatening of life and abduction of a civil citizen. And I've advised you that you remain silent Or whatever you say may be used against you in the court of law.
Yes. Let's go. Police station. Officer. Arrest him.
Is it me? Me?
Yes, sir.
Amadi.
Yes, sir.
The two raggedly dressed half policemen without uniform have come to arrest me.
Sure. Officers, what are you waiting for? Take this man away. Let him go and provide my son.
Sir, it will be of great interest you follow us. Else we apply physical force.
Yes. Force him.
Let's go, sir.
Force him.
Let's go. Let's go.
Is the DP aware that you are here?
Sir, he's the one in charge of this case.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
As you wait a minute. Just excuse me.
Please be fast about it.
Hello? Welcome.
Onye ka nkele? Gaga yogu. Anu kife. Anu kpọrọ nkụ na-eje ọnụ. Iche amadi emele. Iche amadi eme. Iche amadi himself. Hey.
Even amazing. Huh? Your men are in my house. And they said you sent them to come and arrest me.
Me? How? When? I don't understand.
They are here with one fat woman. Huh? That is like Popo. She's alleging that her son is missing.
Oh. I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were the one she was talking about. Iche, just give me a minute. I'm going to clear it.
Clear the mess. Clear the mess.
Sir, let's go.
Officers, what are you still waiting for? Let's go out.
Sir,
Take this man out of here.
I wouldn't want to, for the sake of your age, I wouldn't want to disrespect you.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
Officer, what are you still waiting for? I don't know what you're waiting for. Let's go.
Okay. Hello, sir. All correct, sir. Yes, as we speak with you, we are at the corporate house. Yes, sir. You say? Okay, sir. All right, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Officer, please, let's go. We are wasting too much time here. Take this man out of here.
Madam, you're under arrest.
Me under arrest?
Madam, you are under arrest.
How?
And for defamation of character.
Me?
Yes, madam.
How?
Officer,
what did I commit?
Madam, let's go. Let's go, madam. You're under arrest. Let's go.
See? Yeah. Onye biale to agwo atonwa. I'm sure.
Leave me on! Leave me on! I'm not going anywhere with you! Am I the one that did your ask you to arrest? I'm not going anywhere! Let me be! Let me be! Let me be! Let me be! I can't believe her! You don't do your job! Leave me alone! You need to arrest me! Leave me alone!
It's like you want me to arrest you.
Arrest me for what? Arrest me for what? Arrest me now for? Just arrested me! Instead of the man that kidnapped my son, leave me alone!
What a selfish man, Chief Amadi.
Why are you so wicked? Why are you so mean? Why are you this mean? You kidnapped that woman's son. She came here to arrest you. You turned around and arrested her. What happened to your conscience? Where is your conscience? A woman that is crying for the disappearance of her only son. This is what you do to her. Hey, you're doing all of this because you feel like you're untouchable in this village, Okuya. You are doing all of this because you have the government in your pocket, okay? Don't worry. Don't worry, you are not bigger than God. God is bigger than you. God. Don't worry, God will judge you. God will punish you. Don't worry.
The butcher go. I already know what. Opugo. See, when you are running after a snake, pursuing a big giant snake, be very, very careful. Be very, very careful, because the snake will certainly turn round, eat your paw. No, gay. I vengo.
I just hope you know what you're doing.
Anything you ask to say, you will say. Anything you ask to do, you will do.
I said it. I said it. Not from one source. 2 sources.
What is this woman's offense? I ask you, Oga DPO, what is her crime? An innocent woman comes to report the missing of her only son. She has a clue of who the kidnapper is. Instead of you to arrest the culprit, you turn around to arrest an innocent woman. Well, guess what? The culprit is my father. He is seated at home. He is supposed to be the one that is arrested. So you will release that woman to me immediately.
Watch your mouth, young lady. Who are you to command me?
Okay, you must think I am joking with you. I have my phone with me. I am going to video you right now. My friends are also outside. They all have their phones ready. We will tell the whole world exactly what happened in your office today. How you decided to detain an innocent woman who did nothing wrong. So you will release her to me. Else, the video I will make of you, I will post it on social media and trust the blogs. They will drag you left and right.
Wait, young lady, wait. We will release her. Just wait.
Better for you. That's how you people go about intimidating people.
Constable, release that woman. Bring her to my office. Okay, thank you. It's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay.
She's on her way. She's coming. Please, she's coming. Take it easy. Take it easy. Okay. Just take it easy. She's on her way. Okay.
You! It shall never be well with you. You will never see any good thing in this life. I came and reported to you that my son was missing. Instead of you to arrest the man behind the sudden disappearance of my son, you arrested me instead. You will never see good thing in this life. It shall never be well with you.
It's okay now. We have released you. Start going.
I should go. I should go without my son. Where's my son? Where's my son? Where's my son?
Mama, please. You know they don't have your son here. So please, let us go.
Go. I should go without Kenna.
Don't worry.
Where's Kenna?
We'll find him.
Is he at home?
Don't worry, Mama. Let's just go.
My daughter, thank you very much. God bless you. Oh, God bless you. At least I've gained my freedom.
Your son will also gain his freedom, Mama. I promise you, he will come back here alive. Oh, Biko, stop crying.
Are you sure he is still alive?
Hey, Mama, stop saying that. Stop talking like that. Nothing will happen to your son.
Biko, are you sure?
I am very sure. My father will not kill him. I'm sure he's doing all these things just to scare him away from me. That is all.
Please, my daughter, help me. Oh,
I will help you.
Me.
Don't worry.
He is the only thing that gives me joy.
Mama, I know. I
know.
Mama, stop crying now. I promise you, your son will come back here alive, unharmed. Because just go in and freshen up and rest. Oh, I will make sure that your son comes back. Please, stop crying.
I will not cry.
I will get to work. I will make sure he comes back. Let me go. Stop crying, Stop crying.
I will not cry. I will try.
So stop treating people bad. Don't hate anyone in this life. Just for your own sufficient to rest. Makanoa, Sirike, Uwahabarambanyo, Makanoa, Sirike.
My father is very heartless. God, I don't know if I should keep crying for my love, my Ike that I haven't seen in 2 days. Or I should cry about his poor mother. That woman has suffered the highest form of injustice. This is not fair.
It's okay. Stop crying. Everything will be fine.
Oh, it is not okay. When is everything going to be fine? When? You know what? I am not going back to my father's house again. I am not going back there because what kind of a father is that? I mean, why would God give me such a wicked man as a father? Why?
My dear, you don't have to blame God. Nobody chooses the family he or she is born into.
Whatever the case is, I am not going back to his house. He is no longer my father. Go. Can I just stay here with you?
No. No, I don't want your father's trouble.
Go, you're supposed to be my friend. You're supposed to be supportive.
Yes, I'm your friend. You just told me how evil your father is. And how he enjoys ghost immunity in this village. The same way he threatened Iken and his mother was the same way he threatened me. I don't want to be his next victim, please.
Go, who is going to tell him? He's not going to know I'm here.
Amara, can you hear yourself talk? Please, I don't want problem. Please. Please.
Okay. No problem. I'll go. But just know that I am not going back to my father's house. Anywhere I see, I'll stay. The bush, the road, anywhere but my father's house.
Amara, wait. Come, let's talk about how to help Ikenna regain his freedom instead. Please, come and sit down.
What are you talking about?
I know of a hideout where your father's men used to take their victims to.
You do?
One day, my mother sent me to Ila Forest to fetch Anunebe for her. I searched for the leaf until I was in the deepest part of the forest.
Where are they taking him to? Hey!
Somebody help! Super! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! Oh my goodness! Somebody help! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help!
That was how I saw them that day.
Hey! Let us go to the police and... No. We must go to the vigilante. Let us go and report to them and take them to this place and rescue him.
But how are we sure they took him there?
Because you just said to me that you saw them take a victim there. It is just common sense that is where they keep all their victims. Let us go and rescue him. There's no time.
Let's just go and find out if he is there first and then look for a way to help him.
Yes. Then let us go. Hey, God. Hey, Jesus Christ. This is where my father keeps his victim.
Yes.
This man is very wicked. This man is the devil.
See, we need to be very careful here, okay? How do we go about this mission now?
Yes, that's true. I think we should just hide somewhere, wait a while, and observe the environment, see who goes in and who comes out.
You're
then
right.
we'll go in and...
You're right. You're right. Just... Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Who's it? Who's there? You have to come and kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me.
Jesus Christ. So sorry. I'm so sorry.
What are you doing?
Let's go.
What did you know of me?
Explain her.
What's up? You feel like a musician? What's up? Come on. Make you be sitting outside a thing like this.
Yeah, see, a person said this guy don't fit escape by himself.
How manage? Where you go pass now?
Yeah.
What's you go do now? Guy, this guy don't fit escape from this place. We'll go find out. Because like this now, I'm going to again.
No time.
We'll go find out like this.
Obiama joka, onye furu obiama banaka. Obiama joka, onye furu obiama banaka. Poverty is bad. Poverty will make you not to know your right anymore.
Come and sit. Sit down. Sit. Is this you? Thank God you are alive.
God, I am so happy. I'm so happy. Like, you don't understand. You have done so much for me. You have shown me what a great friend you are. Thank you so much.
I'm so happy to see you happy. You know, I felt very bad all this while you were crying and wished I could help. Thank God I was able to help.
Yes, you have helped. Thank you so much. You know, right now I can go home, rest my head, knowing that my Ikemi is fine. All thanks to you. Thank you.
You're welcome. What are friends for?
All right, I'll let you go, but we must celebrate later.
Yes.
I'm going to take care.
All right, bye. Bye.
Up will be more, not my lover. Up on my head, not my lover. Up will rock it, not my lover. Not be my man, not my lover. Up will be more, not my lover. Love at face, not my lover. Only go be man, not my lover. Another I'm not cook, not my lover. Up will be more, not my lover. Up on my head, not my lover. Not be my man, not my lover. Up will rock it, not my lover. Up will be more, not my lover. Up on my head, not my lover. Not be my man, not my lover. Will rock it, not my lover. It's you on the
Where has your daughter gone to?
I have not seen her.
Yekwana kam nne aya de si mo ebe nwe ano. You know, there are Zade.
No, say, are you asking me now? Oh, you're now asking me. In Ajum. Eh? In you kowa. Bawam pampa rogini ne pacha. In Ajoni ge buye nisi. In Ajum ebono.
Ona kwa na-eso okwu. Ajụjụ ka m jụrụ. I just asked the question. Where could this girl have come to? Where?
I serve a God who never fails. I serve a God who never fails. He never fails. He will never fail forevermore. Hey, my God never lost a battle. Because my God is the greatest of the greatest. He is the highest of the highest. No man can take the glory of God. No politician can take the glory of... Papa, sorry. I serve a God that is bigger than every politician. I serve a God that is bigger than man. No man can take his glory. All the glory belongs to God. No man can take God's glory. Glory to God! Glory to God! Glory to God! Hey!
Where is this one coming from? Come on. I hope this girl has not started attending all these white garment churches. Where is this glory coming from? Or somebody injected glory into her skull? What kind of nonsense is this? What is this house turning to? The mother is pushing me here. The daughter comes in glory, wants to push me down. It will not work for them all. It will not work for them. Devil, I reject it. I reject it. Any attempt to push me, the lion. It will not work. It will not work. It will not.
God, I thank you. I thank you for bringing back my son alive. May all the glory, majesty, adoration, praises, worship be unto you alone, forever and ever in Jesus' name. Hey, Nna. So they left you there all alone?
Yes.
But why didn't you shout? People might hear your voice and come to rescue you.
Mama, I didn't know I was alone. I was blindfolded until Amara Ngozi came to rescue me.
This same Amara. Oh, how did they know that you were there?
I have no idea. I was going to ask the same question. I was very surprised.
That girl is a good child. You see that Amara? She's a very good girl. I don't know why she came from the loins of a wicked man. That Ichie is a very wicked man. Do you know that I went to the police station to make a report? I got there, I requested to see the DPO myself. And the DPO ordered his boys to come with me and arrest Ichie. On reaching there, the case turned against me.
Turned against you how?
Ichie called the DPO on phone. I didn't know what they discussed over the phone. The next thing I saw was the DPO called his boys that came with me and ordered them to arrest me instead of Ichie.
Arrest you? Why? Why are people so wicked?
The same question I'm asking myself. You see that Ichie? He's very wicked. A very wicked man. Only God in heaven will judge him. That man is very, very wicked. If not that this same Amara followed us to the police station, I would have been in the police cell by now. You wouldn't have met me at home. That is, people are very wicked. You see that Ichie? Only God will judge him. That man is a very wicked man. But I'm happy you are back. I'm happy you are back home alive.
Chief Amadi,
Thank God. I thank God for your life.
Chief Amadi,
Yeah, see, as this matter be now, we got to tell Chief what is up.
We got to tell him now. We got to tell him because like this now we no get choice. We got to break the news, give him. How did he escape now?
Shango, you don't F up. Shango, you don't F up full time. Yeah.
How manage? Hi.
Shango. Yes.
Ichie, there's trouble, oh.
What trouble now?
He escaped.
What?
Yes, I think some people came and set him free while we were away. And we have searched for him everywhere. We've not seen him.
Shango, which kind of thing this now? Okay, bye.
Hello? Hello?
Is it though?
Don't cut call.
Hi! Well, this one a F up, oh. This one a better F up like this, oh. Guy, we need to go and find them. We need to keep going. Don't give up.
This must be the handwork of my daughter. I underestimated her capabilities. Huh? She's a lioness. She comes from the loins of a lion. So, a lioness. I didn't count on that. Anyway, the lion must prove that he is a lion. Yes.
Mama.
I hope you like the food.
It's nice.
Hi. Ikena, my son.
Mama.
What about your relationship with Amara?
Mama, after what happened today, my love for Amara became stronger. And I've decided to be with her for the rest of my life. I don't care what happens.
That girl is a very nice girl. Me too, I fell in love with her after what she did today.
Mama, I told you, she's going to make a good daughter-in-law.
Yes. But what about her father's threat?
Mama, I don't know. Like I said, I love her so much. I don't care what happens. I don't care what her father does. I'm ready to be with her for the rest of my life, even if I die.
You will not die. You will not die. Amara is a very good girl. I love her so much. You will not die. God will eventually make a way. I love Amara so much.
Come rain, come sunshine, you are the best thing that has happened to my life. Now my lover, up my heart, now my lover, now my lover, not be my mind, now my lover, now my lover, love at first, now my lover, only go be my, now my lover,
I come in peace. We need to talk as daughter and father.
Talk about what?
The DPO called me. He said you talked so harshly to him, insulted him, and also said so many unspeakable things about me.
Yes, I did. That is because you are not a good man. Same goes for him.
Easy. It's okay. Amara, I want us to end every quarrel that's been between us tonight, here and now. Nem, I love you. I love you very deeply. I love you as a daughter. I need the best for you. Since you said that boy is the only thing in your life and that without him nothing works for you, I give in. You can have him. Yes.
Are you being serious?
Cross my heart.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Father. Thank you so much. But one more thing, Father. Yes. His phone. Your boys, they still have his phone. Can they give it back to him, please?
First thing tomorrow morning, his phone will be returned to him.
Oh, thank you, Daddy! Thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Thank you. I love you. Yes.
Mogo. See your phone. Mogo. Try them next time.
It's you or no other person, my love. Aburo no aburo biobini. Love wako maka ibi funanyam.
Why is he returning my phone?
Come rain, come sunshine. You are the best thing that has happened to my life. Onyekemo, Obobimo, na my lover. Opa my heart, na my lover. Opurokeje, na my lover. No be my, na my lover. Obobimo, na my lover. Love at face, na my lover. Only go be my lover. I know I'm
Ngozi!
na my lover.
Ngozi! Come. Ngozi, we have made it! Okay, calm down. So, my father came into my room last night and told me that he has given me his consent to be with Dikeh now! Yes! I am so happy! This is good news! How did this happen? I don't know. I'm so happy! Come, we have to celebrate this time. Let's go.
No other person. Our love is here to stay forever. Nothing can change.
Walking.
I have to work so I can raise enough money to take care of you.
I like the sound of that.
I know. You look very beautiful this morning. What's the secret?
Well, thank you. That is because I come bearing good news.
Good news? I'd like to hear it.
Okay. My father has finally given his approval for us to be together.
Are you serious?
Yes! I am so happy for us, babe. So we can finally be together.
No wonder they brought back my phone.
Oh! They already brought back your phone?
Yes, I was wondering why they brought it back.
You see? We are free! Oh my God, I am so happy. No more hidance.
We have to celebrate.
Yes, we will.
Hold on, I'm coming.
No.
He has given up already.
Mama, I told you we're destined to be together.
I'm so happy. And I can't wait to have such a beautiful soul as my daughter-in-law.
Yes. Mama, we have to hurry up. We need to pay her bride price as soon as possible.
But are you ready for such a heinous task now?
Mama, but you said you're going to support me once I'm ready. I'm
course
ready.
I will. I will support you. I will support you, definitely.
Mama, I'll bring what I have. I'll add it to yours. And we're good to go.
Very well. There's no problem with it. We will do it. Hey, so finally happiness has found us.
Yes.
Chai!
I'm excited.
I'm so happy.
She's a good woman.
Such a good girl.
She's going to be a good wife.
Such a good girl. Amara.
Ichi Amadi sir, we are here with another 50,000. Please take this money and open our shop for us. It is from this shop that my family and I are getting our daily bread from. It is from this shop that will raise your balance. Just take this money and open the shop for us. We can, since you took that money from us and locked that shop, it has not been easy for us. We are just feeding from hand to mouth. Please.
Ishebiko, we have 5 mouths to feed.
5?
Small children that are below the age of teen. If not for anything, even if it is because of those children, please have mercy on us.
Ichi Amadi, please, collect this money. Give us 1 month, just 1 month to raise your balance and pay you. Just if we fail to provide your balance within this 1 month, just lock up that shop again and open it no more.
Yes. Please.
Please.
Let me have the money.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
50,000 naira, sir. It's complete.
Go and complete my balance. Now come to the shop. Open your shop now. I will not open that shop if my balance is not complete.
Ichi Amadi, is he not from the same shop that will raise your balance and pay you? Please open it and we'll sell, make sales and raise your balance.
I'm $1 million. $1 million.
Iche, are you going to leave us like this?
Give me my complete money. Complete. I'll go to the shop now and open the shop. No balance, no open shop.
Iche, please consider us. Consider us.
Iche, please don't do this to
Iche,
us.
pity us. Open that shop so we can make some sales.
See, if you know where you got this money, go back there and get my balance. I will open the shop for you.
Iche, this morning you are talking. If you know how I struggle to raise that money, you can't be telling me this. Iche, Amadi, Iche,
please help us
like this, so Iche,
please.
What manner of man is this?
What are we going to do? Ishe, please come and give us the keys to our shop. Me, I'm not leaving this place, so I'm not leaving. We are not going anywhere. Instead of us to go and die in hunger in our house with our children, it is better for us to die in your house.
I don't know how on earth I got myself into this mess. How did I get myself?
Oh God, if you can save me from this, if you can deliver me from the hands of Ichi Amadi, I will never take loan from anybody again. Never ever.
Ishe, please come and give us the keys to our shop. Ishe, please.
What is it? What is it? Why are you people disturbing the peace of my house? Eh? You don't have that right. See, let's take it easy. Let's take it easy. Calm down. Stand up. Stand up, both of you. Stand up. You see, okay. Your money is still in my hand, complete. Nothing missing. I can give you back this money. Complete like this. Follow you to the shop, unlock the shop. And even forfeit the balance. If you do one thing for me.
Ichie, if you can do this for us, we'll be very happy and we will show our gratitude.
Don't be faster than your shadow.
Good. Sorry, sir.
There is something you will do for me. Okay? And if you do it, I will do exactly what I said I would do. Yes.
Say it, Ichi Amadi. We will do it for you.
Ishe, do you want me to sweep your house, wash your clothes? Anything, I can do anything.
Take it easy. Don't run too fast. Are you sure?
I can do anything, Ichi Amadi. I can do anything at all to get myself out of this mess. So just say what you want us to do and consider it done.
Yes.
Okay. Both of you follow me. Come on.
Why did you accept to do such a wicked thing in the sight of God?
It is not only in the sight of God, but it is both in the sight of God and man. But what would you have me do? What do you want me to do? Would you prefer we lose our children to starvation?
But you should have considered the repercussion. All these things have consequences.
I consider the repercussion and consequences, but God will understand. But you know I did not accept this in clear mind. It is out of hunger and frustration. You're supposed to know, even you're supposed to understand. So God will understand. Hey. There's nothing else I can do.
God, please forgive me.
Forgive us. Please forgive us, God.
It's my husband that dragged me into this.
What do you mean? Let's go home, please. Ike, Bobo.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ike. How work?
I'm fine. How's your family?
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Ike, sir? There is a problem I have in my house. The bulb in my bedroom, I think it developed some problem. I thought it burned, but I changed the bulb, but still nothing. So I need you to go and check it out for me.
Now?
Now, please. I'm going somewhere, so just go and
but let's wait until you come back.
No, that room has been in darkness. As we speak, my wife needs the light in that room. She's even waiting for you already.
Your wife is there?
Yes, my wife is waiting for you. She will attend to you. Just go there and check it out, please.
Why not wait until I'll wait until you come back, then we can go together.
No, as we speak, my wife needs the light. In short, that's what prompted me to come and meet you before going. Please, go and check it out.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Thank you very much.
Amara! Amara! Honestly, where is she? She's not in any of the rooms. Amara!
My son! Hey, my son! What happened? Okay, remember what is happening here?
You did it, right? I know you did not do it. Tell me you did not do it. Kenna!
I have been framed up.
I know it! Framed up.
I knew it. I knew he would not be able to do anything like this. He's innocent. People want to kill him.
So my son, they framed you up. They want to kill you for me. Ichiamadi, look at what you are doing to my son.
Woman, stop shedding those crocodile tears. This boy did the act. In fact, he was caught in the act.
Red-handed. Red-handed.
I know what we can do.
Igwe is right. Igwe.
I suggest you take him to the police station for them to charge him to court.
Yes. No problem, Igwe.
I am expecting a very important visitor, so I won't have time for this case.
Yes, better.
It's okay.
Igwe. No! No! Mbana. Igwe Mba. How can police? Don't we know what police will do? Police will accept bribe. Police will take a bribe. And then release the boy. Nothing will happen. No justice there.
Hey.
Igwe, we have the traditional way of doing things. The age-old tradition. Let us handle it that way. What happens to somebody who does this kind of a thing in the traditional way?
Igwe, he shall be stoned to death.
Igwe,
he's a rapist.
Igwe,
No.
give the order. Give the order, leave the rest for us.
I just told you that I'm expecting someone. He's here already.
My friend, what is going on in your palace? Welcome.
Welcome to my palace.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Janet.
Orimiri.
Orimiri ata.
Both of you know each other?
Yes.
You mean both of you know each other?
Yes. She served in my late father's palace as a maid. Where have you been?
I ran out of the village after everything I suffered in your hand.
My friend, what is going on here?
Son was accused of rape. He was brought to the palace for the king to decide his fate.
Caught in the act. Your son.
My son.
Our son.
Yes, our son.
How can you be pregnant? Just a little enjoyment we had. Other ladies in this palace does it with me. And none of them have said anything about pregnancy. Why will your own be different?
Prince, I told you to use protection that I was on my ovulation. Didn't I?
Will you shut up? Why will you ask a prince like me to wear rubber before having an affair with you? Don't you know it's a taboo?
My prince, please. My prince, now that pregnancy has resulted, please find a way. What do we do about it?
That is all of your business. And let me warn you, do not mention my name. Don't tell anyone, the king or the queen, that I am responsible for that pregnancy of yours. If you try it, I swear by Omaliko, I will strangle you to death.
Please,
since you're pregnant.
Please, please. But I told him I was in my ovulation. And now he's scolding me. Never! I can't abort this pregnancy! I can't kill the very first fruit that will come out of my womb. I will run. I will go out of this village. I will go to my maternal home and have my baby here. And as for you, Prince Orimiri, one day you shall come looking for this baby. One day. Just one day.
I searched for you everywhere. After that, I married 3 wives. They all left me without a child. I seek for solution, but everywhere I went, they kept telling me of a woman that I got pregnant. Until I find the woman and her son, that I will never have a son of my own. And I searched for you. I searched for you until I got tired of searching. God. Son, come to me. Come to your father, son.
Ikenna, go to your father. You have been asking me about your father all these years. Look at your father standing before you. Go to him. He is your father.
So, I picked this one for my husband.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Wait, did I just say my husband?
Somebody's already feel like a married woman.
Yes, I picked it for my husband.
Okay.
So, you know he's wearing white, so this one will look good.
Yeah,
And then
okay.
this one. Do you think this one is too long?
Oh yes.
This will be too short.
Oh yes. It is a big thing happening here. This kind of event has never happened in this political space. My own daughter is getting married. Married to Prince Kenna, the Crown Prince of Ijano town. Not just Crown Prince. He is soon to be made king of that town. So, Obro believe. Look, the day this thing is going to happen, I'm trying to draw the map for you. Big vehicles, convoys, project in my house. Senators will be there. Assemblymen will be there. Even chairmen of local government areas will be there. I'm a political impresario. Would you believe that governors will even come here? Because my daughter is getting married. Just wait a minute. Police. Can't you see that we're busy here? My daughter is getting married.
Mr. Amadi, you are under arrest for aiding and abetting, kidnapping, and other related criminal offenses. For your own good, you have to cooperate with us. And more so, your men are with us in our van. Yeah, from here, we are going to Abuja.
What?
Are you surprised?
Abuja?
Are you surprised?
Tell just the two of you. Wait a minute. Something big is happening here. You see my beautiful daughter. She is getting married to the prince. A prince. Wait. I need to make a call.
Move.
What is happening?
I'll give me. I said move!
What is it, please?
They have come to arrest the inhuman man we have as a husband.
Amara.
Move already!
Move! Hold on, let me call the DPO.
Which
DPO? You want us to use minimal force? I said move!
You cannot use force.
Move!
I'm a chief here, a political juggernaut.
I said move!
Mama, they have come to carry the inhuman man you married.
I am a political juggernaut.
He's going to Abuja.
My daughter's wedding.
Amara, I said move!
My grandson.
Move on!
What's happening? Call the politicians, the senators, call Mr. President, call anybody you want to call. Mama, if you give it to DPO, Mama, come and relax. This is not DPO. If you want to call somebody, better call the Inspector General of Police. Because it's Abuja. He's going to stay there.
Abuja?
Amara. Mama, we have wedding to plan. Come, let us talk about your judge. Your lace.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rock. What a selfish man, Chief Amade. Onweraka niyagi, onweraka benaragi. A selfish man. Amara nye warawu, ozwa kwanya na fyo. Amara njabu omo majante. Because every Chief Amade. He's bad. Chief Amade is dangerous. He has no mercy at all.